Exploring adverbs of place, your compass in English. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going on a linguistic journey to learn about adverbs of place. These little words are the compass points of our sentences. They tell us where the action is happening. So, buckle up. It's time to enrich your English understanding. Let's start by unraveling what adverbs of place actually are. Simply put, adverbs of place describe where the action of a verb is happening. They answer the question, where? Some common examples are here, there, everywhere, inside, outside, upstairs, and downstairs. Adverbs of place are like the spices of sentences, giving them that extra flavor. Here are some examples of how you can use them. 1. Here, I am studying here at the library. 2. There, she left her bag there. 3. Inside, the dog is sleeping inside. 4. Outside, it's raining outside. These sentences would lack clarity without the adverbs of place, wouldn't they? Now that we know how these adverbs work, let's talk about where to put them in your sentences. Typically, adverbs of place are placed after the verb and its object. For instance, 1. She placed the book upstairs. 2. He ran everywhere looking for his keys. However, in some cases to emphasize the place, they can be placed at the beginning of the sentence. 1. Outside, it's a beautiful day. 2. Here, you will find peace and quiet. Experiment with the positioning to add variety to your sentences. And that's the end of our adventure today, fellow language explorers. Remember, adverbs of place are your trusty compass guiding the action in your sentences. So, use them to describe where things are happening and to add depth to your stories. Keep practicing, and see you next time on our next linguistic adventure.